Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Estelle, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving to a new state or country is exhausting, but if you're not familiar with the native language of the area, it can become tiresome. We at 3 Movers understand the difficulty one can face when they're moving and packing all by themselves. Our professional team members will help you get the most out of this situation. We are well versed with the Estelle area and can take care of everything from packing all your belongings to shifting them to a new location. So don't think about any of your items getting damaged in the process. Our team members will take care of all your belongings with utmost care, and still, in case of any breakage, we have insurance policies that cover the cost. Even if you're moving to a place within the state of Louisiana or just shifting next door, hiring professionals will help ease your work and save you time. We at 3 Movers have been in the moving business for 20 years and know all the roads and routes of Estelle. Our team will make sure that your moving experience is easy and trouble-free. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Estelle moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.